So I'm here at the Baby Taj Mahal. Doesn't know the name for it, but I have no idea what it is. Just to show you that I am in fact in India trialing native deodorant, and it was awesome. So I made I would say a stupid decision, but it turned out. I chose to try a new deodorant for my trip to India. I've been wanting a clean, natural, organic kind of deodorant for a while. And Holly's tried multiple because she's pretty sensitive to additives and stuff like that. But I have wanted for a while, and I've been hoping that Beautycounter was going to be the ones to come out with a natural deodorant that would last all day, and that I like the smell of, and that I like the feel of. So those are the key things. I haven't done a lot of trials. I was just using the crappy stuff I've used for years and years and years that you can get at Costco. If I could whistle the Old Spice tune, I would, but anyway, that's what I used. Recently, Holly bought me a sample pack of the native deodorant, and I was a little skeptical. I tried it maybe, I think, a day before coming on the trip. I didn't love it right off the bat, but then she mentioned something about like detoxing your armpits and that kind of thing. So I think that's what was maybe going on. Because since being here, I love it. I am shocked. It feels good. It like washes off like normal. I've tried a couple in the past that like just leave you with that like sticky, gross feeling in your armpit even after you've washed it off, and that's disgusting. I hate it. But this is not like that at all. It feels good. Don't even know it's there, and but it smells really good and lasts all day. And I'm here in India sweating my ass off, and like even travel sweat, you know, that extra funk that you get when your arms are stuck at your sides and you're just stuck like that next to another smelly person next to you in the train or plane for 14 hours plus. All that, no problem. One application, all good. Even with the stuff that I used to use, I would have to apply at the end of the day if I was doing something, or while traveling I would apply twice. This, not like that at all. So, really impressed. Totally stand up to the Indian trip test. So, if I can do that, seriously, no problem. And when it comes to the travel sweat, in like all forms. We did one day of travel where the whole day was travel, and we did a plane, train, bus, metro, like SkyTrain or subway system. The whole day it was just travel, and armpits, all good, totally fine. So way to go, native.
Station on this train. Man.
Even here. If the native deodorant can stand up to my India trip, then back home is for everyday use is going to be fantastic.